Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a student, teacher, or just getting started with online learning, you know how crucial it is to access your Canvas Instructure account quickly and smoothly. Today, we're diving into how to sign into Canvas Instructure in 2025 feet an updated guide to make sure you're up to speed with any new features or security enhancements. Whether you're on a computer, tablet, or phone, this step-by-step tutorial will have you logged in no time. First things first, open your preferred web browser, like Chrome, Safari, or Edge, and head over to the Canvas website. The URL is usually something like instructure.com, or your school-specific subdomain, such as youruniversity.instructure.com. If you're not sure, check your email or ask your institution's IT support for the exact link. Once you're on the site, you'll see the login page. Enter your username. That's often your email address or a student ID, and then type in your password. Make sure your caps lock is off and double-check for any typos to avoid common errors. If your account has two-factor authentication enabled, which is a smart security feature in 2025, you'll get a prompt on your phone or email. Just follow the instructions to verify your identity. It only takes a few seconds. After successfully logging in, you'll land on your Canvas dashboard. Here, you can access your courses, assignments, and announcements. Pro tip: bookmark the page for easier access next time, and always log out when you're done to keep your information secure. If you run into any issues, like forgotten passwords, don't panic. Canvas has a "Forgot Password" option that sends a reset link to your email. Remember, with the 2025 updates, Canvas might have improved mobile apps, so downloading the app from your App Store could make logging in even faster on the go. There you have it. Signing into Canvas Instructure is straightforward and secure. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay curious and keep learning.